Daily forecast for Euro USD for the 16th of October 2025. This is the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, we see that Euro USD is bullish. Why? Because we've had a break of market structure here, and after a break of market structure, we can expect a pullback to happen. So we are currently internally bearish. Externally, we are bullish. And why bearish? Because we are right now in the pullback phase. How do we know if the pullback is over or is still going on? Well, as a minimum, what I would expect is a change of character. So if price breaks this, then I know that now there's a change of character. And if I have a break of internal structure, so if we take out this, then I know that the daily has shifted bullish and the pullback is over. So that's on the daily time frame. We do multiple time frame analysis. We now switch over to the 4-hour time frame. So now on the 4-hour time frame, we can see that the 4-hour is bearish. Why? Because we are on the daily pullback, and after we've had a break of structure, we can expect the pullback to happen. Now if we look at where the pullback has happened till, so we can see that we've just about crossed the 50% and probably a little deeper, and then we can expect price to continue in a bearish direction. However, we must also bear in mind that we are coming from on the daily, this is a demand zone and price is kind of bouncing off from here. And if price is bouncing off from here, can we expect that the price is now, the pullback is over and we are again going bullish? Well, for that, we need to look at the strength of this demand zone. So is this strong enough? Well, if you look at it, price came here and then this is already mitigated because this candle has already dipped into this. So I think all the demand that was there was used to kind of fuel this movement. So I would think that this demand is not a very strong one because it's already been mitigated. And prices come here. We've had a bit of a struggle between buyers and sellers over here. And now we see price kind of moving up. This movement of price up could be to fuel the pullback that is happening over here. So I would be still a little cautious, and I would not look at, declaring that, yes, the pullback is over. So we'll just wait and watch. So we're looking at the 4-hour. So we're just going with the premise that, yes, we've kind of come in and the pullback has started, therefore this looks bullish. But I would think that we probably dip into this supply zone or this supply zone and then continue the bearish movement. Also, these are equal lows, so that's there would be a lot of liquidity residing over here, so I would expect the price to kind of come down over here. So that's as far as the H4 is concerned. Moving on to the M15. Let me toggle this on. So the M15 is bullish. Why? Because we're playing the H4 pullback. So if this is bullish, we've had a break of structure. After the break of structure, we can expect a pullback to happen. Has the pullback started? Well, we've had a change of character, which is a bare minimum. But after that, I would want at least an internal break of structure to indicate that yes, the pullback has happened. So I will wait for price to take out these equal lows because there's a lot of liquidity behind these. And then once that happens, I would then look for shorts and play the M15 pullback. Till where will we expect the pullback to happen? Well, if we consider this as the strong low, we can look at price to probably come down to this level or to probably this level. So that's my outlook at the moment, where we will be looking at shorts. I would favor shorts once London opens, which is in about an hour 45 from now. And yeah, that's pretty much my outlook. I would expect the price to take out these equal lows, and then when it kind of pulls up, I would then look at shorts somewhere here when it pulls up to maybe this zone here, or whichever way price kind of comes. We will probably see a bounce from here, and price comes in here, bounces, and then it kind of continues further down. So I would be looking at probably some kind of a supply zone here, or maybe here, to play the shorts. So maybe something like this, and once price comes in here, I would look at playing shorts over here and go down to probably these levels, or a 1:2. That's good enough. That's another thing that people say, while you put your stop losses very strategically, but people generally look at targets as a plain 1:2. But I would think that you should also look at on the left hand side and see where is the price likely to go. And we know that liquidity acts like a magnet for price, so I would definitely think that maybe this demand zone is where I would expect price to go. And yeah, so I can have take profits at various levels, but I would expect price to come down to here, which is almost like a 1:3 kind of a trade. That's it for now. Happy trading, and may the markets be with you.